The moment you stop worrying, everything starts falling into place. It always works. This is Buddhism. Before we begin, take a deep breath. Let your shoulders drop. Let your mind settle for just a moment. If this message found you, it's not an accident. Buddhism teaches there are no coincidences, only meetings between a soul that's ready to hear and a truth that's ready to be revealed. So right now, subscribe to this channel to feed your spirit every day. Hit like to support the message, and get ready. What you're about to hear can truly change your life if you let it in. Because there is a moment when you finally stop forcing, stop obsessing, stop worrying when everything magically lines up. It's a paradox most people reject, yet it's one of Buddhism's deepest secrets. When you stop chasing, things start chasing you. This isn't giving up. It isn't passivity. It isn't abandoning your dreams. It's realizing that attachment is what creates suffering, and inner peace is what creates solutions. You've been taught your whole life to fight, to force, to control, to anticipate the worst. But no one ever taught you this. Your anxiety doesn't fix anything. Your stress doesn't change anything. Your worry adds nothing. It only clouds your mind like muddy water, so you can't see what's right in front of you. In truth, things fall into place when you stop blocking the natural flow of the universe. When you stop clutching so tightly, you finally let life breathe. And when life can breathe, it brings you exactly what is meant for you. Let me show you how this works, why it works, and how to start living it today. It all begins with one quiet inner decision. There's a subtle, almost invisible moment when your mind gets tired of being afraid, of calculating every outcome, of bracing for disaster. That moment usually comes after a long struggle, when you finally see that no matter how hard you try, you don't control everything. And in that exact instant when you open your clenched fist, life begins to rearrange itself around you. Buddhism says, a relaxed mind regains clarity. An agitated mind creates illusions. It invents catastrophes, exaggerates, complicates, turns transitions into threats. But when you let go, suddenly everything becomes simple again. It's like you've been carrying a backpack full of rocks for years. You kept walking, but in pain. The day you set the backpack down, you realized the rocks weren't life's difficulties, the rocks were your thoughts. You can still act, create, move forward without the worry. You can have goals with a light heart. You can want success, love, peace, without strangling yourself with the need for it to happen right now. The day you move from "I need this" to "I desire this," you become free. And when you're free, you become magnetic. Doors open, opportunities align, the right people show up, answers appear, even obstacles soften. The difference between forcing and allowing isn't the action, it's the energy behind it. One acts from fear, the other acts from peace. And the universe always responds to what you're vibrating, not what you're saying. Here's the universal truth most people resist. The universe doesn't respond to your desires. It responds to your state of being. You can want something with all your heart, but if your energy is fear, lack, or tension, the universe feels that too. You can repeat positive affirmations, but if deep down you're still gripping, the dominant frequency is still fear. And fear attracts complications. That's why nothing moves when you worry too much. You think you're solving problems, but you're actually blocking flow. But the moment you take a deep breath and choose inner distance, something in the world relaxes too. As if life was just waiting for you to stop controlling so it could do its part. When you stop worrying, your energy shifts from desperate need to quiet trust. Your mind becomes spacious, and the universe needs space to work. Empty your mind and life will fill it. Attachment creates invisible tension. The harder you grip, the more you push away what you want. It's like trying to catch water with a clenched fist, impossible. Open your hand, and the water rests gently in your palm. Love, money, peace, healing, opportunities all flow more easily to those who've learned to breathe, to wait, to act without clinging. Those who can say, I do my part, and I trust the rest to the universe. That kind of letting go isn't laziness, it's wisdom. Now, how to make this real in daily life? 3 simple practices. Observe before reacting, before spiraling. Ask, is my mind creating a problem that doesn't exist yet? 9 times out of 10, the answer is yes. Just watching your thoughts already takes away most of their power. Breathe, not automatic breathing, conscious, slow, deep breathing that tells your nervous system, I am safe. I don't have to force. I can allow. Countless disasters are born from a contracted mind. Countless solutions appear when you simply breathe and let the pressure drop. Do your part, and only your part. You don't have to solve your whole life today. Do what you can with full presence and love, then release the outcome. That's not naive. That's intelligent. When you live these 3, observe, breathe, act without attachment, your daily life changes. Stress loses weight. Fear loses solidity. Obstacles become doorways. You realize you never needed to fight that hard. You just needed to be present. The more you practice, the more naturally relaxed and powerful you become. A person who's no longer afraid to wait, to slow down, to let go, becomes unshakable. What happens when you truly master letting go? Your perception changes. Problems become part of the path. Delays become space. Surprises become gifts. Your energy softens people, feel your peace, and are drawn to it. Synchronicities explode. The right person messages. The right door opens exactly when you're ready. And finally, you trust yourself. You move forward without waiting for perfect conditions. You trust your path, even when you can't see the end. And when you trust yourself, the universe trusts you back. Final words to carry with you. Life has never stopped working for you. Only your mind sometimes stands in the way. Every time you worry too much, you close a door. Every time you force, you block a path. Every time you try to control everything, you prevent the universe from doing its part. But the day you breathe, observe, do your part and let go, everything changes. Not because you gave up, because you stopped suffocating your own destiny. You become freer, clearer, more aligned. And an aligned being doesn't have to force life. Life aligns around them. If this message touched you, if your heart feels a little lighter, your mind a little clearer, take one small action right now. Subscribe, like this video, and write in the comments, I let the universe do its part. That is your quiet commitment, your first step toward a calmer, simpler, more magical life. Thank you for listening. Keep walking gently, wisely, and with trust. What you're seeking is already on its way to you.